Today we're taking a closer look at this Aeroskin Hood Protector in chrome for the 2019 and newer Ram 1500s, but excluding the Rebel, the RHO, and the TRX. If you're aiming to add a slick layer of front-end protection with a touch of chrome flair, this hood shield is a simple yet very effective upgrade. This hood protector is designed to deflect bugs, road debris, and small stones away from your hood and windshield, helping to preserve your paint and visibility. Its low-profile design blends seamlessly with the front end of your truck for a streamlined look. The chrome finish adds a bold visual accent that pairs perfectly with other chrome trim pieces that are going to be on the truck. Made with form and function in mind, it offers improved aerodynamics by redirecting airflow over the vehicle while you're driving. It's also UV and scratch resistant, so it'll hold its shine and structure through prolonged sun exposure and that rough terrain. It has pre-applied automotive grade adhesive tape right here on the back to make the install process quick and painless. And if you stick with me, we'll show you that install here in a minute. This is constructed from tough, weather-resistant ABS thermoplastic. The Aeroskin Hood Protector is designed for long-term reliability. The chrome plating not only adds to the visual appeal, but it also contributes to the weather resistance to keep it from fading over time. As far as pricing goes, this is coming in right around that mid $200 price range. This protector offers great value for Ram owners looking to preserve their hood from rock chips and bugs while adding a little extra shine. It's a smart, affordable investment in long-term paint protection and doesn't require any major modifications. The installation on this is quick and easy, rated just a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have this installed in just 20 minutes of your time. You're just going to want to make sure you clean and prep that surface really thoroughly for the best long-lasting adhesion. Now let's head on out to the shop, and they're going to give you a detailed walkthrough of exactly how this install process goes.
All right, today we're going to be installing a hood protector on our Ram, so let's get started. All right, so we're going to get ready to get our hood protector on there. First thing you want to do is just make sure that your hood is nice and clean so the double-sided tape will stick. Now you see I have our edges peeled up on our double-sided tape just so we can get this located on there and peel it off while it's on there. So we're just going to line up the center. Don't press down really hard yet. You don't want that really stuck on there in case you need to make any minor adjustments. Just make sure it's good. It's going to be good on the edges. And we can go ahead and start pressing it down the middle and working our backing off. We'll do one side at a time, just to make it a little bit easier. One there on the edge. Top strip off, push that down. Go ahead and do the same thing on the other side here. That top edge down. Now you just need to go back, clean off any fingerprints that you left behind, and you're all set to go. And that wraps up our install of our Aeroskin Hood Protector Chrome for our 2019 and newer Ram 1500, excluding the Rebel, RHO, and TRX. And remember, for everything Ram, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.